Complete the following reaction sequence. So this type of questions are very important, roadmap questions. Chlorine in the presence of sunlight. It provides chlorine free radical. Free radical substitution reaction takes place. On cyclohexane, chlorine is attached. Chlorocyclohexane is produced. Chlorocyclohexane. When it is heated with dimethyl sulfoxide, this is dimethyl sulfoxide, DMSO. Oxygen comes out. This is not mechanism, just for understanding purpose. H and Cl attached to the same carbon are removed by oxygen. We can get cyclohexanone. B is nothing but cyclohexanone. After the formation of cyclohexanone, reaction with Grignard reagent followed by hydrolysis. See what happens during this reaction with Grignard's reagent. It is subjected to reduction to give 3-degree alcohol because this is ketone. So, pH goes to carbonyl carbon. H of the water goes to oxygen. So C is nothing but 3-degree alcohol, one side pH, one side OH, right? That is C. After the formation of C, it is subjected to dehydration with concentrated H2SO4. During the dehydration, OH is removed from alpha carbon. H is removed from beta carbon in the form of H2O. OH minus comes from alpha carbon, H plus comes from beta carbon, providing alkene. This is the alkene produced. So this is nothing but D in the sequence of reactions, D. After the formation of D, this is subjected to HBO method, diboration, hydroboration, oxidation. This is the first step, hydroboration. In the second step, oxidation by means of hydrogen peroxide. So addition of H and OH occurs opposite to Markovnikov's rule. H2O2 supplies OH group, B2H6 supplies hydrogen. Hydrogen goes opposite to Markovnikov's rule. So hydrogen, which is coming from B2H6, goes to the carbon with less number of hydrogens. H of the B2H6 is migrated to doubly bonded carbon of less number of hydrogens, opposite to Markovnikov's rule. So whatever the OH coming from hydrogen peroxide is migrated to doubly bonded carbon of more number of hydrogens. So at this carbon, one hydrogen is present. This is OH. Here pH remains present. H attached, that is understood. That is E. After the formation of E, this is subjected to oxidation by means of mild oxidizing agent PCC. So automatically 2-degree alcohol will become ketone. This is the final answer. I hope you are able to understand. A is chlorocyclohexane, B is cyclohexanone, C is phenyl cyclohexanol. Phenyl cyclohexene is D. 2-phenyl cyclohexanol is E. F is 2-phenyl cyclohexanone. A, B, C, D, E and F.